Most people will never hit $10,000 in savings. Not because they don't make enough money, but because nobody ever showed them the actual system. You're working, spending, maybe saving a little, and somehow the number never moves. That's not a discipline problem. That's a system problem. Here's what actually works. 3 steps. Let's go. Step 1. Stop the bleed. Pull up your last 30 days of bank statements right now. Find every subscription, every impulse buy, every forgotten charge. Most people are bleeding $200 to $400 a month without even knowing it. Cut it. That's your first $1,000. It was already yours. Step 2. Pay yourself first. The day you get paid, automatically transfer a set amount, even if it's just $50, to a separate savings account, not what's left over. First, treat it like rent. You wouldn't skip rent. Don't skip yourself. Step 3. Earn more, not just spend less. Cutting alone won't get you to $10,000 fast enough. Sell something. Pick up one extra shift. Offer one skill online. An extra $300 a month gets you to $10,000 in under 3 years. An extra $500 a month? Under 2. The math doesn't lie. $10,000 isn't a fantasy. It's a decision made in small, boring, consistent moves. Start today, not Monday, not next month, today. And if nobody's told you this yet, you can do this. Follow for part 2, where I break down exactly how to go from $10,000 to $50,000. You don't want to miss it.